To make resume in Canva for teachers, let's come over to our template on Canva homepage here and search for resume for teachers. We'll enter that on our keyboard and you see all these resume options begin to come up. Once you find the template that you like, I kind of like this simple and clean minimalistic template, and it's even 2 pages. I'm going to open it up and you will see here customize this template. From here, the first thing I usually say to do is to come here and clean this out and write your name. I'm going to write my own name. So it's going to follow this: your first name, your last name, then resume. Once you have that sorted, you want to come into each of these boxes. This resume has been structured properly, that it serves your need. So all you need to do is to come over to this place and type in your own name by double tapping into the text box. So highlight the whole text and you put in your own name, and you go to the part. If you want to specify what kind of teacher you are, you can come and put in the title here. If you don't want this part, you don't want to specify that you're a secondary school teacher, you can take it out. But I pretty much like to leave this here. And you can come to your professional summary and write that summary here. You want to talk about your teaching and school experience in this section, talk about schools you've taught on, and from this base part, let me just expand my screen. And from this base part, you want to put in your email address here, your phone number, your LinkedIn profile, and your address. It might just be a short address like city and state. Then you can come here, also change your name for this second page also. For a teacher, if you have a lot of experience and you've taught in so many schools, you really need to use a 2-page resume. But if you don't need that, you can actually deal with 1 page. But for this document, this is a 2-page resume. You can come in here and put in all your details that is related to you. Select the whole text in the box and replace it with yours. And you can put in your education, your certification. Also do the same while you change this phone number and all this here. And make sure you change all the details to match your own details. And once you're done customizing your templates, you want to come into this place and click on share here. And you want to come over to download. It's on PDF standard, which is suggested, which I very much will ask you to leave it on. And you want to click on download to download this resume into your device.